load the L8C, put a pellet in the top and push it in with the pen, and the L85 are done in exactly the same way. You have to push it in with the pen. Let spring go, and then load it back into the L8C. Pull that back really tightly so you hear it click, and then to pull the trigger you have to pull the trigger firmly back so it's fired. And the safety is on the side of the gun near the trigger. That locks it so it won't let go, and then push it back and pull it firmly back to the trigger so it's fired.